In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively create and manage global sections within your page editor. Let's dive right into creating a section that you can use seamlessly across multiple pages. First, you'll want to start by designing the section on a page. This section should contain the content and layout that you desire. Think about what you want to include in this section, whether it's headers, footers, or any other specific content elements. Make sure it is visually appealing and suits the overall design of your website. Once you have this section designed exactly how you want it, it's time to move on to the next step. Next, you'll need to select this section. Go ahead and click on the section within your editor to ensure it's highlighted. This selection is crucial because all subsequent actions will be applied directly to this section. Now, it's time to set this section as a global section. To do this, click on the More Actions icon, which is represented by 3 dots next to your selected section. When you click on these dots, you'll see an option titled Set as Global. Click on that, and you will be presented with several choices, such as Global Section, Global Header, or Global Footer. Choose the option that best fits the section you've created. Once you've decided, give this global section a descriptive name. This will help you easily identify it later, especially as you start to create more global sections. Let's talk about how to manage your global sections efficiently. You'll find access to your global sections in the editor's left-hand panel. It's easy to spot as it's marked by an icon that looks like a triangle with 3 circles. Once there, you can manage and manipulate your global sections as needed. Adding your newly created global section to other pages could not be easier. If you want to add it to the current page you're on, simply hover over the desired global section within the Global Sections panel and click Add to Page. To add it to multiple pages, hover over your section, click the More Actions icon, select Add To, then choose your desired pages. Once you've made your selections, click Apply and watch as your global section appears on the chosen pages. Remember, any edits you make to a global section will automatically update across all pages where the section is in use. So, if you decide to change content, design elements, or layout, those changes will reflect everywhere this global section exists. Lastly, if you ever need to rename, duplicate, or delete a global section, there are straightforward options for each of these actions within the Global Sections panel. Keeping your global sections well organized will ensure your work remains streamlined and efficient. And there you have it, a detailed guide to creating and managing global sections in your page editor. This powerful feature will not only save you time, but also help maintain a consistent look and feel across your entire website. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.